Hi, in this video I will show you how to use TED Talk filter on the Instagram. So the process is pretty simple. Open Instagram mobile application and from the left top click on your stories. Once you will click on it, use any filter. Once you will use any filter, you will see this option here at the bottom. Click on it. Now click on browse effects. After that, click on the search button. Now search for TOD talk. Now you have to click on it. Now you have to click on it, try it, or you can simply download it from here. So once you will click on it, it will start working. If you want to use TOD talk filter on your Instagram, you can follow this step. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.